This is a wonderful example of differing environmental conditions in a short place, just like you would have on your beds. This area here is under an overhang and it gets less sun, but this one here gets lots of light, so it's shorter. The other environmental condition we get to look at is that this end of the bed has an irrigation system. The irrigation head is on this side, so it's the water shooting this way and not necessarily getting water clear down to this side of the bed. So this side of the bed is going to end up being drier than the other side of the bed with the irrigation head on it. So in an ideal situation, if we had to place if you have a choice to place your bed, try to place it so that it has an even distribution of both water and sunlight. So if we wanted these plants to be more equal in their size, this bed would not be oriented this way, it would be oriented this way.